Good morning everyone. Hope all are fine at home, staying at home. So stay safe at home, don't go out. From now your classes are starting. So read, study, whatever we are telling you, write in your notes and study at least once in a day. Okay? So till 7th class you have studied science as a whole, like science subject, but from 8th class, from now onwards, you will have 3 parts in science, that is physics, chemistry and biology. Okay? So I want you all to keep one notes, single rule, double rule, whatever you want, plain notes, anything. As a biology class work, you whatever work I give, you write in that notebook only. Don't keep extra homework book, assignment book like that. Okay. So in science you will have physics, chemistry and biology. Physics is the study of, like in 7th class you studied about motion, electricity, time, measurement and all. So that will be physics. Okay. So chemistry is studying about all the chemicals, like acids, bases you have studied in 7th class. So that will come under chemistry. Biology, here now I will teach you biology. Okay. So biology means studying about living organisms. Okay. So bio means life, logy means study. So biology means studying about living organisms, that is plants and animals. So you know already what are living organisms and what are non-living organisms. Living organisms which have life, like which can respire, which can eat, which can digest, which can reproduce, these are all called living organisms. Examples are plants and animals. So in biology we will study about plants and animals. Non-living organisms are which don't have life, which cannot move, like example table, chair, all those. So those are also coming from living organisms only. So in biology we will study about living organism, how they eat food, how they move, what are the life process that are going to that will occur in the organisms. Okay. Okay, so in 8th class what all are the lessons you have, now I will tell you. In first page of your notebook you write all the index, lesson names, then one day we will take only half of the lesson and I will give you the homework to do. You practice, read and I will give notes at the end of this video. You write the notes in your notebook. Okay. So first I will tell you what are the lessons you will have in 8th class biology. Okay. Okay, the first lesson is what is science. So what is science, what is there in science, what we have to learn, that will be in this lesson. Okay. So second lesson is cell, the basic unit of life. So cell, till now you don't know what is cell. Cell is not mobile phone what you are using. Cell is the living structure that is present in all the living organisms. So when I am teaching the cell lesson you will understand this. Okay. So the third lesson is the world of microorganisms. So now you know the famous microorganism name, that is corona. So corona is one of the microorganism and some example like bacteria, virus, so these are all microorganisms. So how microorganisms are living, how they are eating food, how they are living, how they are reproducing, that you will learn in microorganisms. Okay. And fourth lesson is reproduction in animals. So in 7th class you already learnt about the reproduction in plants. So how from one plant you get other plant, how seeds give you plant and all those. So here you will learn about the animals. Okay. So the fifth lesson is age of adolescence. The adolescence is the age where you don't belong to children or you don't belong to adults. You are in the middle of those two ages. Okay. And sixth lesson is biodiversity and its conservation. Biodiversity means variety of the living organisms that are present on our earth. Like example, different types of plants, different types of animals, and how we can save them. Okay. And seventh lesson is different ecosystems. Ecosystems are different type of ecosystems. They have different type of climatic conditions, different type of plants. Like example, you don't find animals and plants that grow in snow, and you don't find them in the deserts. The same way, you will have so many type of ecosystems. What are different ecosystems that you will see in the 7th lesson. And 8th lesson is production of food from plants. So we all need food to eat and to live. So we get food from plants as well as animals. So what are the food that we are getting from plants? How agriculture is being done? How farmers are doing agriculture? How they are sowing seeds, and how those seeds turn into plants? How they are giving us the food? We will see in the 8th lesson. 9th is production of food from animals. So from animals also many of us get food, like hens. You all eat hens like chicken, and goat as mutton, so fish, and some other milk products also we get, like milk, cheese, paneer, ghee, like this. So these are all the food from animals. So how animals are giving us the food, we will see in 9th lesson. 10th is not for breathing, not for drinking. So not for breathing means what we breathe air. So not for breathing is it is all about the air pollution. Not for drinking is all about the water pollution. So how we are polluting the air, and how we are polluting water, and to avoid pollution what we have to do, we will see in 10th lesson. And 11th is why do we fall ill. Ill means not being healthy. How we are falling ill, what is causing the illness, and what different types of microorganisms that are responsible for our diseases, we will learn in the last lesson. So I want all of you to write these lesson names in the first page of your notebook, and next you start this science. Science have physics, chemistry, bio, these three, and the lessons I will start from next video.